Now, ito naman. The right angle bar is supported by a pin at B and a roller at C. What is the maximum safe value of the load P that can be applied if the shear stress in the pin is limited to 20,000 psi? The diameter of the pin is 3/4 and then naka-double shear yung connection. Now, gagawin natin dyan, ititreat natin yung P as 1. Yan yung pinaka-efficient talaga. Kapag yung tinatanong is maximum safe value of the load. So, treat ko yan as 1. And then, I can solve By and Bx. So, magiging, meron tayong reactions dyan. By saka Bx. Essentially, yung Bx, kailangan acting to the left. Since yung P dyan is acting to the right. So, ito na lang yung assumption ko. And then, yung roller naman, let's say upward. Cy. Ayan. Now, we can sum up moments about, saan ba? Sa point C tayo mag-moment. Ito kasi yung location ng force. So, hindi pwede dyan. Ayan, moment about C, we have By. This will cause a clockwise rotation about this point. And then our moment arm is 12. Tapos ito naman, meron siyang components. Horizontal saka vertical. So yung horizontal component niya is going to the right. This is 1 and then cosine 30. With respect to the horizontal kasi yan. And then, yung downward component naman is 1 sine 30. Now, magkukos yan ng rotation about C, which is counterclockwise. So, minus 1 sine 30. Then, multiplied by 12 din. Tapos, 1 cosine 30, it will cause a clockwise rotation about point C. So, plus 1 cosine 30. Then, perpendicular distance is 10 inches going to this point. Equate to 0, masasolve na natin yung By. So, By is 1 sine 30 multiplied by 12, then minus cosine 30 times 10 divided by 12. So, negative 0.221 pala. Or 222 na lang. And then this is in terms of P. Kasi diba, tinrate natin yan as 1. So, ito yung By, and then we can solve Bx. We can do that by summing up forces horizontal. Now, negative yan, ibig sabihin pala yung By must be acting downward. Ito yung actual direction. Now, summing up forces along X, we have Bx is equal to the left kasi yan, ito to the right. So, equate na lang natin agad. This is 1 cosine 30. Which is, ano ba yan? Cos 30. 0.866. And then this is in terms of P din. Ayan. And then our direction is to the left. Tama yung assumption. So, ito yung shear stress 20,000. Shear stress equals shear force divided by the area. Pounds per square inch yan. And then equals, yung resultant natin is square root of 0.222 squared and then plus 0.866 squared Again, the same lang kanina. Then multiply P right here. Ayan. Then divide by the area. Naka-double shear. So multiply by 2. 2 times pi over 4. Then our diameter is 3 over 4. Or 0.75. Tapos naka-square. Ayan. Na bakit 0.75 instead of 3 over 4? Mas madali kasi yung i-type. Notice na kapag 0.75, we have 3 keystrokes. Decimal point, then 75. Hindi na kasi kailangan yung 0. So, 3 keystrokes. Now, paano naman kapag 3 over 4? Input natin na 3, tapos ito, 2 keystrokes. Then 4, 3 keystrokes, but you will have to press this one para maka-arrive ka dito. So, mas marami yung keystrokes. Again, kapag kinompound mo yan, makakasave ka talaga ng oras. But again, hindi pa naman yan necessary sa college level. Input na lang natin. So, 0.222 square natin, then plus 0.866 squared, and then multiplied by P, divided by 2 times pi over 4, tapos multiplied by 0.75 squared. Solving P, this is 19766.68. Tapos naka-pounds.